Hello everybody, today I'm going to be making apple plum butter. This is from the all-new Ball Book of Canning, and it's very simple. I've got 2 pounds of apples quartered in here, and 2 pounds of quartered, and 2 pounds of plums that I have taken the pits out of and cut up. I've got apple juice here to add to it, and it calls for 6 cups of sugar. What I'm going to do after I get it started is give it a little taste and see if it really needs that much sugar, because this is high acid, so it won't need the sugar for safety. So I'll bring you. Okay, the next step is to bring the apples and plums and 1 cup of apple juice to a boil. Turn down the heat, let it simmer 18 to 20 minutes until everything is soft. The plums and apples have stopped. I've stopped them cooking because they're really soft. So now I'm going to run it through my Victoria food strainer. If I can get this to hold still. You never want to use the Victoria without having something liquidy in there. Never just crank it dry. So I'm going to start cranking. Look at that beautiful pink juice coming out of there. And you can see you're starting to get the pulp. So I'll finish doing this and take you to the next step. Okay, right now I've got the pulp back in the pan. I've put in a little over, about 2 1/4 cups of sugar. It calls for 6 cups. That seems like a lot. But then I know if I don't put them all in, I won't get the volume of jars that they say to get. So I might wind up with them all in. Anyway, I got that much sugar and a little bit of cinnamon. It called for 1/4 teaspoon or so, and that's what I put in there. Now I've got to let it cook down. Okay, I have wound up with 4 1/2 cups of sugar in here, and it tastes pretty good. I won't get as many jars as it said I was going to get, but I think this is probably all the sugar that I'm going to want in here. Okay, I'm going to fill these little jars. This is 1/2 pint jars. I'm going to fill them to 1/4 inch headspace. See, it's pretty thick. It's been cooking for quite a while. I know, over an hour. It called for an hour cooking about. It's been cooking longer than that. You just have to stir it every once in a while to make sure that it doesn't scorch. 1/4 inch headspace. A towel. Wipe that down. Looks like it could use a little more in there. Wipe it down again. Okay. Clean lid. Clean ring. Get it on there. Set it over on the towel. Turn it. Put it in the canner and get another jar out. Okay, they're popping and ready to come out of the canner. 5 1/2 pints of plum and apple butter from the all-new Ball Book of Canning. Okay, there they are. Look at that beautiful burgundy color. I love that. We tasted this. It tastes really good. Okay. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you tried this recipe from the all-new Ball Book of Canning. Thanks for watching.